Hi there! Are you going to join me for No Borders Learning virtual space events on autonomy-supportive feedback? Feedback has to be effective, but also inviting. So there are so many questions that we want to answer together to make feedback really meaningful, inviting, and for it to work with students. And for that, we're going to explore what it means to make it autonomy-supportive. So some of the questions we would explore in this session can be: who has the control over the feedback experience? How might we draw from our learners' internal locus of control? How is feedback experienced by the receiver and by the giver? How might we influence and optimize the conditions around feedback? And what are some of the concrete ways to provide autonomy-supportive feedback? You will be able to work in small groups individually and as a whole group during the session, and you will be joining me in this wonderful virtual learning environment. So a little bit more engaging and more self-organized than a Zoom, for example. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me a message. Bye-bye.